I'm about to be late for my job. What am I going to do now?
Wait, you idiot, lol.
What did you say? You're a son of a garbage?
Uno reverse card.
Bitch, you reached your time limit. Shut the fick up.
Can you stop, guys?
Carlos here, Josh. Did you take your medicine for ADHD?
For real.
Shut the fuck up, your bitch. Did you take your SCP medicine, idiots?
The train is here.
Nobody gives a fuck.
John, did I ask you?
Passengers go on the train. Let's leave the trash town to Brazil, guys.